Hi everyone, Dustin here from lawatYourSide.com. And question I got and I get all the time is, can I treat with my own personal doctors through my own insurance for a work-related injury? So let's say you get injured at work. Can you go to your own doctors? Can you go through doctors with your own insurance? Or do you have to go through a doctor through your work? And the answer is, it depends. So if your work has what's called an MPN, it's called a Medical Provider Network, generally speaking, you're supposed to treat within the MPN, the Medical Provider Network. Now, if you don't treat with their doctors within the MPN, and you treat on your own, technically you may have to pay for your own doctor's appointments out of your own pocket. So if you go to treat on your own, you don't have any health insurance, but you treat on your own, technically you may have to pay for those doctor's appointments. If you have an attorney representing you, those doctors may be treating you on a lien basis. So those doctors aren't going to come after you personally for reimbursement of the medical expenses, but they may go after the insurance company later on. They're treating you on a lien basis. Now, if you go through your own personal insurance, maybe you have personal insurance aside from your work-related insurance, again, you can do that, but the workers' comp may or may not have to pay for your personal doctors. So the main issue that comes up really with this is, if your employer has accepted your claim and they are providing medical treatment to you, generally it can be good to go with them. But what happens a lot of times is the doctors who are working for the employers and for the insurance companies, but keep in mind they're being paid by the employers, paid by the insurance companies. So sometimes we've seen that they don't provide full treatment. Either they will send you back to work too early, they don't do the proper diagnostic testing on you that you may need, they don't give you full treatment that you may need. So they may send you back to work and you're still in pain and you can't go back to work. Or maybe they do provide treatment, but at the end of the treatment they say your permanent disability level, which is the disability impairment that you have, they may rate it too low. They may rate it lower than what it really is, because again, if they're rating it too high, or they're providing too much treatment, or they're providing all these surgeries, they're probably not going to be on that medical provider network very long. So generally speaking, you should be treating with them, but if they're not providing you proper treatment or their impairment rating is too low in the end, that comes to a point where you want to call an attorney and get their advice, help them represent you, because you are entitled to medical treatment. And if a doctor with the Medical Provider Network is not providing proper treatment, then you may be entitled to go outside of the network and treat with your own doctors, or treat on a lien basis, or treat outside, and the insurance company would have to pay for it. It would not be coming out of your pocket or and whatnot. So again, it really is fact-specific case. There's case law on it. There's a lot of rules on it. It's really important to talk to someone who's really navigated those areas and dealt with that. So that can get more complicated if that's what's happening to you. So again, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it provides you some insight and help in the workers' compensation system, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want further assistance with your work-related injury, or you want to talk to a lawyer and get your questions answered, or you want us to represent you in your workers' compensation case, please feel free to give us a call at the number below, or click the link below and fill out a submission form. And we will do our best and work our hardest to ensure that we give you all the benefits that you are entitled to under the law, and we help you have a smooth, efficient case that runs through so you can get back to your healthiest that you can be and also receive all the benefits that you're entitled to. Thanks so much.